Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to unbox this Kodak film camera Ultra F9. So you can see here on the camera, I got this one in green and white, 31mm F9 lens. This is a camera made by Corex. It is, insofar as I know, exactly the same, maybe cosmetically different slightly, as the Agfa and Ilford Sprite 2. But the packaging on this is substantially nicer. And it is, in fact, exactly the same as those two. Instruction manual down there. All right, let's take a look at what we've got. Camera strap, Ultra F9, 31mm F9 lens. If we turn on the flash by switching that button there, we get a slightly larger aperture. Flash, Kodak logo, battery chamber, film rewind release. This is the back with the film advance, shutter button, flash ready light, and film rewind lever. Open up the back and we can see all the standard stuff inside the camera. Cassette chamber, shutter, advance. So keep an eye out for the camera manual about this camera coming soon.